Hello, good morning. Exercise 11.2, chapter perimeter and area. Fifth question. PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height from Q to SR and QN is the height from Q to PS. If SR is equal to 12 cm and QM is equal to 7.6 cm, find A. The area of the parallelogram PQRS. B. QN if PS is equal to 8 cm. In the question it is given that PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height from Q to the base SR and QN is the height from Q to the base PS. We have to find the area of the parallelogram PQRS. And if second part, if PS is equal to 8 cm, find the QN. Then the length of SR is equal to 12 cm. SR is equal to 12 cm. QM is equal to, this QM is equal to 7.6 cm. Second part it is given that this PS is equal to 8 cm. That is PS. PS is equal to 8 cm. So we have to find the area of the parallelogram PQRS. So first part, the base SR is given and the height to that base QM is also given. So SR is equal to, that is the base, and B, and that is equal to 12 cm. Then the height, that is QM is equal to, that is the height equal to 7.6 cm. Area of parallelogram PQRS. Parallelogram PQRS is equal to, we know, BH, and that is equal to, BH is equal to, here B is 12 and H is 7.6. So 12 into 7.6, 12 centimeter into 7.6 centimeter. Then if you know the table of 12, we can easily multiply and find 12 into 6. 12 6 are 72. Balance 7. 12 into 7, 84. 84 plus 7, 91. And one decimal point, one decimal part. So centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So 12 6 are 72. 12 7s are 84 plus 7, 91. 91.2 centimeter square. Or you can multiply it as whole numbers, 12 into 76. Then you will get 912. Then one decimal point in the question. One decimal part in the question. So in this answer also we need one decimal part. So 91.2 centimeter square. Then second part B. In the second part, it is given PS is equal to 8 centimeter. We need to find QN, and that is the height to PS. Here QN is the height to PS. We have the area already, we have the area 91.2. Then area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to, if we take PS as the base, then area of parallelogram is equal to PS into Qn. PS into Qn. That is, if we take PS as the base, then Qn is the height to PS. So, PS into Qn. And that is equal to 91.2 centimeter square. So, BH is equal to PS into Qn is equal to 91.2 centimeter square. Then 8 into, give the value of PS, we know the value PS. 8 into Qn is equal to 91.2 centimeter square. 8 centimeter into Qn is equal to. Therefore, Qn is equal to, we need only Qn in the left side. Take that 8 to that side, that is 91.2 divided by 8. And that is equal to 91.2 divided by 8. 91.2 divided by 8. If you know, you can, no need to do step by step, 11 8s or 8 8 like that also you can do if you know. 1, 4, 32, that is 0. So 11.4 centimeter. That is the answer, 11.4 centimeter. So in this case, SR is given 12 and the height to SR QM is also given. Therefore, we can easily find area of PQRS as BH is equal to 12 into 7.6. Second part, PS is given and we have the area. Then find QN, that is QN is the base to PS. Then using this area, we can find. Sixth question, DL and BM are the heights on sides AB and AD respectively of parallelogram ABCD. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeter square, AB is equal to 35 centimeter and AD is equal to 49 centimeter, find the length of BM and DL. It is parallelogram. AB is equal to 35 centimeter and AD is equal to 49 centimeter. AB and AD are given. We have to find BM and DL. BM and DL. In this case, AB, if we take AB as the base, then DL is the height to AB. Area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to AB into DL. That is base AB and height to that base is DL. And that is equal to 1470 centimeter square. It is given in the question. Then AB also we know. Then we can easily find DL. Okay, first part, to find DL. Then area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to 1470 centimeter square. So, if we take AB as the base, then area is base into height. That is base into height is equal to, base into height is equal to AB into DL, and that is equal to 1470 centimeter square. Then the length of AB, we know it, 35 centimeter. So 35 centimeter into DL is equal to 1470. Therefore, DL is equal to, we need DL only. DL is equal to 1470 divided by 35, and that is equal to, 1470 divided by 35. 4 times 140, balance 7, 70, 2 times 2 into 35. So the answer is 42 centimeter. The answer is 42 centimeter. Then the next part. So first part is what? DL is equal to 42 centimeter. Then second part, AD is given as 49. So AD is given us, and that we can take it as the base B. AD is given as 49 centimeter. Area we know, then that is equal to 1470 centimeter square. 1470 centimeter square. Then area is equal to, equation of area, B into H. Here B is AD and the height to AD is BM. AD into BM is equal to 1470 centimeter square. The base is AD and the height to AD is BM. But the same parallelogram, it has the same area. So 1470. Then AD we know as 49 into BM is equal to 1470 centimeter square. Therefore, BM is equal to 1470 divided by 14, 9, and that is equal to 1470 divided by 49 3 times, that is 30 centimeter. So the length of BM is equal to 30 centimeter and DL is equal to 42 centimeter. Then area is equal to base into height. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Then base is equal to area by height and height is equal to area by base. Base is equal to area by height and height is equal to area by base. Next is 7th question. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 13 cm and AC is equal to 12 cm, find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. The question is, ABC is a right angled triangle and right angled at A. Then given sides are AB is equal to 5 cm. AB is equal to 5 cm. AC is equal to 12 cm and BC is equal to 13 cm. We need to find the area of triangle ABC and the length of AD. ABC is a right angled triangle, right angled at ABC. Then AB is equal to 5 cm and AC is equal to 12 cm. So in this right angled triangle, the area is equal to half BH. Area of a right angled triangle is equal to half BH. Here AB is the base and AC is the height. AB is the, if we take AB as the base, then AC is the height. So area of this triangle is half BH. Then first part, given AB and that is the base is equal to 5 cm. Then height, that is AC is equal to height is equal to 12 cm. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to, the equation is half BH and that is equal to half into 5 cm into 12 cm. That is 2 and 12 we can cancel. 6 into 5 is 30 centimeter square. Half BH and that is equal to 30 centimeter square. Then second part, this is the first part. Now we have the area of this triangle as 30 centimeter square. So area we know. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 30 centimeter square. we have to find the length of AD. Here AD is the height to the base BC. AD is the height to the base BC. So if we take BC as the base, then area of this triangle ABC is half BH, and that is half into BC is the base, and AD is the height to that base, or AD is the height to BC. So half BH is equal to, area of triangle ABC is half BH, that is half into BC into AD, and that is equal to 30 centimeter square. Then we know the value of BC. Then substitute the value, half into BC is 13 centimeter into AD is equal to 30 centimeter square. Then take this 2 to that side, that is 13 centimeter into AD is equal to 2 into 30. Therefore, AD is equal to 2 into 30 is 60. 2 into 30 is 60. And that is AD is equal to 60 divided by 13, and that is equal to, then 60 divided by 13, 4, 52, 8, 8, then 0, how many times? 6 times. 1 time. Okay, 4.6 centimeter. 4.6 centimeter. So area of triangle ABC is 30, and the area of triangle, that is the first part. Area of triangle ABC is 30 centimeter square. It is a right angle triangle, so we can find using the equation half BH. Then using that area 30 centimeter square, we can find the length of AD. Eighth question. Triangle ABC is isosceles with AB equal to AC equal to 7.5 centimeter and BC is equal to 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. What will be the height from C to AB? That is CE. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, that is AB equal to AC, and AB is given as 7.5 centimeter and AC is also 7.5 centimeter. BC is 9 centimeter. We have to find the area of triangle ABC. So in this side AB, CE is the height, but it is not given. So we cannot find the area using AB. And AC, we cannot take AC also as the base because height is not given. Then take BC as the base. Then height AD is given. AD to BC. Height AD to BC is given. In triangle ABC, BC is given as 9 centimeter and the height to BC AD is also given as 6 centimeter. So the area of triangle ABC is half into BC into AD. Half BH, and that is half into BC into AD. That is given. First part given. BC is equal to 9 centimeter and that is the base. Then height AD is equal to 6 centimeter and that is the height. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to half BH. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half BH and that is equal to half into BC into AD. Half into BC into AD. Then that is half into 9 centimeter into 6 centimeter. 2 and 6 we can cancel. 3. So 9 centimeter into 3 centimeter is equal to 27 centimeter square. Half BH, half into BC into AD. Then second part. This is the first part, that is area. So we know area of triangle ABC is equal to 27 centimeter square. Then using this area, we can find the length of C. That is the second part. Find the length of C. Then area of triangle ABC is 27. Area of triangle ABC is 27 centimeter square. Then the base AB is also given as 7.5 centimeter. Base AB. Then we can find C. That is area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is half BH. And that is equal to, here the base is AB. We need to find the height to AB. So half into AB into CE is equal to the area 27 centimeter square. Half into AB into CE. CE is the height to AB. And that is half into, then we know the value of AB. Half into AB is 7.5 centimeter into CE is equal to 27 centimeter square. We cannot cancel these two, so take this to right side. Then we need only CE here. That is CE is equal to, or 7.5 centimeter into CE is equal to 27 into 2. And that is CE is equal to 27. We need only CE. CE is equal to 27 into 2 divided by 7.5. And that is 54 divided by 7.5. And that is equal to 54. It is a decimal number, so we can multiply by 10 because only one decimal point. So multiply by 10. That is 540 divided by 75. 540 divided by 75. 540 divided by 75. 554. 540 then. 525, balance is 15, then 0. So CE is equal to 7.2 centimeter. So area is 27 centimeter square and the length of CE is 7.2 centimeter. Area is equal to half BH for a triangle. Area is equal to half BH. Then 2 into area is equal to BH. Then B is equal to 2 area divided by H. 2 area divided by H. And H is equal to 2 area divided by base. 2 into area divided by base. Base is equal to 2 into area divided by H. H is equal to 2 into area